Welcome to our Salesforce tutorial. Salesforce is a leading cloud-based customer relationship management platform, offering a unified customer view across departments. This tutorial will guide you from Salesforce basics to advanced concepts, equipping both beginners and professionals with essential knowledge. Salesforce is a software-as-a-service platform, eliminating the need for software installation. Founded in 1999 by Mark Benioff and others, it allows businesses to start operations instantly. As a cloud-based customer relationship management system, it connects users with customers and partners efficiently, addressing needs swiftly. Let's explore customer relationship management and cloud computing to understand Salesforce's foundation. CRM, or Customer Relationship Management, is crucial for managing customer interactions and data. It tracks sales, marketing, and customer activities, helping businesses understand customer needs and improve service. This system is essential for maintaining strong customer relationships and ensuring efficient service delivery. Cloud computing revolutionizes data management by offering storage and processing over the internet, reducing costs and enhancing accessibility. It provides speed, security, and global access, making it indispensable for modern businesses. This foundation is crucial as we explore Salesforce's evolution and its impact on customer relationship management and analytics. Salesforce has transformed since its 1999 inception. Key milestones include AppExchange in 2005, Force.com in 2008, and Trailhead in 2014. The 2019 acquisition of Tableau enhanced analytics capabilities, solidifying Salesforce as a leader in customer relationship management and analytics. These developments highlight Salesforce's commitment to innovation and customer-centric solutions. Salesforce offers significant benefits. No software installation is needed, making it accessible from anywhere via the internet. It's affordable and integrates seamlessly with third-party applications, enhancing business efficiency. This cloud-based customer relationship management platform allows businesses to focus on application development and customer engagement without the hassle of complex setups. Salesforce leverages Apex, its proprietary programming language, for robust development. Visualforce complements this by enabling custom user interfaces, enhancing user experience on the platform. These technologies empower developers to create tailored solutions, ensuring businesses can efficiently meet customer needs and streamline operations. Many companies leverage Salesforce for customer relationship management and other services. Notable examples include HCL, Pizza Hut, and American Express. Salesforce enables businesses to connect and grow efficiently, offering solutions tailored to diverse needs. Its cloud-based platform supports seamless integration and scalability, making it a preferred choice for both established brands and startups. Salesforce and Microsoft Dynamics are key customer relationship management players. Salesforce is exclusively cloud-based, while Dynamics offers flexible deployment options, including on-premise. Pricing varies, with Salesforce ranging from $25,300 per user month and Dynamics from $65,135. Language support is broader in Dynamics, offering 35 languages, compared to Salesforce's limited options. This tutorial is tailored for beginners and developers eager to explore Salesforce. A foundational grasp of cloud computing and databases is beneficial. These concepts are crucial for effectively navigating Salesforce's customer relationship management capabilities, enhancing your learning experience and application development skills. Salesforce provides a robust customer relationship management solution, enhancing customer relationships with its cloud-based flexibility and efficiency. It's ideal for businesses aiming to improve customer interactions and streamline operations. Embrace Salesforce to transform your business dynamics and stay ahead in the competitive market.